Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a quick video. This is not sponsored. I got this from the sale, so I want to put this in my Instagram as well as my YouTube. If you want to take advantage of these sales, I have this, as you can see here, the tire. So if you want to take advantage of the sales, now they have sales for quite a number of things that if you intend to get. Let me just quickly open up. As you can see, I have opened up and actually checked it so that it is fine, because they have a return period as well. So this is not a real unboxing, but let me just quickly open up and show you what I have here, so that I can also use this. So it comes in a box like that. It was delivered to me. It was not in the dust bag whatsoever. It is just in a box and with some tissue paper, but doesn't matter. But it is quite fast when I ordered it. I think so. Last week or so, I mean just a few days ago, so that it delivers quite fast as well actually to me. So which is good. Now the sales is still on. I checked the website as the time of filming this. I checked the website. The sales is still on, so maybe you may want to take advantage. If you have something in your mind or you have your wish list that you have an item, now this is a good time to get it because the sales is quite wide. As you can see from the box here, yes, this is a bag. Actually wanted the leather one for quite a while, but I did not really buy it because they do not have sales. I have the canvas one ready, but I do not have the leather one. Okay, let me just take out and show you. And look at this. This is the Marc tote bag in mini sizes. Let me put the box away. And this video is not sponsored also. This is from Tote. Tote is a legit online website, and this color is in rose. Apparently they put their pink color, but actually it's in rose. So I have the mini size one as well in canvas, white color, and this is the leather version. I have got this for quite a very good buy. If I'm not wrong, I think so it's about 30 to 40% discount, and that is inclusive of free shipping, and I'm more than happy that I got this color as well. This color is a very neutral color and it's like a pinkish undertone. They have a bit, they put their rose actually have a pink undertone, and the leather is so good. I mean the leather smells so good actually. I actually smell it. Just let me just open up and quickly show you inside. There's all the paper bag, and this is the strap that comes with it. This strap is adjustable, and as you can see, it's removable. It is a very long strap. I have adjusted according to my height. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 adjustable length. I've adjusted. Initially they put on this and on this setting, but I put it slightly low, so it's just nice. It just hit up right on my hip. If I don't want to use the strap, I can as well. And this leather is calf skin leather. Look at that. The grain is quite white, and they have these claps here that is rotatable. Then which is good. It can turn around. And inside interior, they do comes with a dust bag inside. They just put the dust bag inside. This is the Marc dust bag. I haven't opened it. Then this is just a dust bag, and okay, and inside interior is just a pocket. Let me just take out the tissue paper. Inside interior is made of leather as well, and they have a pocket inside. You can see here. They have a zip pocket here. Not zip pocket. It's just a pocket. This is the Marc card. Let me just see. Yeah, this is just about the leather product card. Let me take out this. It is really well sewn and well made that I have checked already. Look at it. Oh my god, it is very, very nice. Let me just open up this as well. Yes. It is all wrapped nicely. The measurement here is 25 cm. I can put a measurement on top here. It's exactly the same size as a SPD on the width side of it. So this is the measurement, and it is a very cute bag, and it is not that big. Although it is mini size, it's not that mini. It can store quite a lot of things. I am so tempted to get the micro. Actually, the micro is even cuter, but the problem is I do use small bag, but I use this more than a small bag. I'll think for the day. This can put more things. The micro is very cute, very nice. I can put some of the pictures here. It is very nice. They do have discount for the micro as well. Initially I wanted to get the micro, but then my second thought is how often do I use the micro compared to a mini one, right? The mini one is good size for me for the outing. Let's say I want to put a small bottle of water like this, I can as well. You can put inside nicely there. I have organizer for my canvas one, so I can use that for this one as well. So I can put all the other things as well, umbrella whatsoever, you know. So but obviously it's slightly heavier. For leather it is slightly heavier, but it's fine. It's not that heavy because still it's a mini size. Canvas is lighter, so much lighter of course. So then, and here they just have this magnetic tab here. Yeah. They do have this magnet. Let me make this as well. This, they do have a magnetic tab here, which is good. So they just hold the zip, and it is buttery smooth here. Yeah. It is very buttery smooth. So there you go. This is my new Marc Jacob tote bag. Let me just spin around and show you. And this is the side of it. This is the side, doesn't have any feet. This is the back of it. I have not removed this, but I will take out this later. This is the back of it. If you do not want the word Marc Jacob, I mean you do not want to write the Marc Jacob, you can actually carry it this way. Use it this way. I mean they have this as well, but then it's embossed, but it's not as big as the wording in front. I mean some of you may not want the word, the tote bag Marc Jacob. So this is, you can use it this way. I may use it this way like that as well. It doesn't have any feet, just, and the side is here like that. So the hook for the strap is inside here. That's why it is a bit jutting out, and it's something like that. But I can just push it in. I say I'm not using the strap. I can just push it in and just hold it by handheld. So it can actually goes all the way for the crook of my arm. This is the Marc Jacob bag that I have from Satire. I hope you like this video, and if you really want to get, you can perhaps take advantage of it now. So you know, so it is kind of like quite, I mean the sale is quite good, I would say. Yeah, the sale is quite good, inclusive of tax and delivery charge and all these things. Because some of the site I have checked, they have sales, but then again when they add up, the delivery charge is about the same. But this one is so much cheaper. Even, I mean, because they have included the free delivery, and they do have actual sales for this. It's not like they have free and they have sales, then delivery charge is quite expensive, and actually it doesn't make sense. After deducting from the sales, then they add on to the delivery charge, or even add on to the tax. They have some custom tax or whatsoever. But else, this one, Satire, this site is good because they have included all these things when they send over here. So I'm so glad that I got this, and this is real bargain, because I have also checked the price from the store here, and also even the mini one I have also checked the price from the store here. For the currency here, it's about 300-400 cheaper, so it is a lot. So this is just a quick one to share, and I hope you like this video. Do give this a like and click subscribe button if you want to see more of this video, and I'd love to have you here. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.